y'all, it's Will
and Mommy. Hey y'all,
it's Will
and Mommy, and today we are gonna make a holiday party punch. You'll need some Hawaiian punch,
fruit punch,
cranberry juice, pineapple juice, and some ginger ale. You can do ice if you want to, but all our stuff is cold except
and I just waste this.
Except the cranberry juice because I accidentally left it in the car. So we're gonna start off with 4 cups of Hawaiian punch.
Mama, I will not make this much again, okay? I promise, okay? Mom, I promise I will never waste it on the table. I promise.
Wait.
I promise.
Here, now grab it. Pour it.
I didn't make a mess at all.
So that's 1 cup. We gotta do 4 of these.
Yeah, 2 cups.
So this is gonna be 2.
So Mom, this is like shaking up.
Hold on, wait.
Okay.
Hand it to you. Get it.
So that's 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, that's quicknesses. Mama.
Mm.
And we can use the...
Hold on, stop before you make me spit.
Okay. Mama, I'm not going to do this again, I promise.
Okay.
Promise I'm going to do this. So that's 3. Mama, this is 1, 2, 3. It's 3 cups. Mama, why do we need to make a drink?
Because they be good.
Yeah, they be good like holiday fruit punch. Okay. I didn't waste it at all.
Okay, that's 4. So that's the Hawaiian punch.
1,
And
2,
now
3, 4.
we're gonna do.
Fruit punch.
That's cranberry juice. We're gonna do 2 cups of pineapple juice.
2 cups of pineapple and this
Oops, hold on.
cranberry juice. What happened?
I'm gonna shake it up a little bit.
Well, why?
Just look at this. Okay. And we're gonna do 2 cups of the.
Mama, that's too much pineapple.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. See?
No, it's not. Here.
Oh, you got too much pineapple. Hey, we'll never waste it. It's, Mama, it's not yellow.
Because we got mostly red in there.
Yeah, but I'm just shaking to yellow.
It's not gonna shake. Stop.
Wow, Mama, I think this is gonna turn to yellow.
It's not.
It didn't turn to yellow?
I told you it's not. It's mostly red drink.
Oh.
This is more like it's yellow, but it's not, 2 cups of cranberry juice.
Mama, 2 cups of cranberry juice? What did you say? Cranberry juice. Okay. It's gonna turn to black or no? It didn't turn to black.
Well, cranberry juice is red. It's like a dark red.
Huh?
I said cranberry juice is red.
Like this.
It's a dark red.
Like this.
Yeah.
And it didn't turn to black at all. It's like dark red or something. Like it's like actually. This is so big.
And then 2 cups of ginger ale, but hold on, pause. Let me go get a spoon real quick.
Wait. I want
You don't have to pause the video.
It's gonna stop. Hurry up.
It's not gonna stop.
Okay. So that scared me. Mama, I'm gonna pour it. Mama, that's too heavy.
It's not heavy.
Yes, it is. What's that?
Ginger ale.
Ginger ale? Is it like cola?
No.
Is it soda or something? Is it ginger ale?
Yeah. Pour it in there. Oh, hold on. Let me pour a little bit more on this.
Why?
Because it's supposed to be
monkey. Swan. What? I did not give.
One more cup.
And we're gonna do more.
No, I mean we have enough to do more, but we're just gonna do this for now.
And we're gonna try it after we're done.
Yeah.
But no, let's do more.
No, we're not gonna do more right now. Okay.
I'm gonna stir it.
Let me stir it.
But can I stir it up?
Stir, 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 stir.
What? But I want to stir it.
You pour it all in there. You fine.
Not all the way. All the
No,
way.
it's good. Okay. Now
Let's taste it. Let's taste the juice, but we're not done right here.
that's fine.
Huh?
That's fine.
That's fine. No, it's not.
Yes, it is. We can always make more. We got plenty left.
These?
Yeah, we got plenty left to add to it.
Yes. But we did a blue juice. I remember I threw up in your bed last night.
You did not throw it in my bed. You ready to try it?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, boom. Yummy. Yummy.
It's good. It's real good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yummy. Mommy, say yummy.
Yummy. You got
Yummy,
something on
yummy.
your face.
Mommy. Mama.
Mm.
Hey, don't do that.
You
Don't do that. Don't do that.
You got something on your face.
Don't do that.
Whatever. Anyway.
Mama, say yummy in my tummy.
Yummy in my tummy. It's good.
Yummy in my tummy.
I can taste a little more of the Hawaiian and cranberry juice, I would say. But it's delicious. So
Yeah.
y'all go try the holiday party punch.
And we will see y'all when we get all of these and make a drink later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
No, I'll stop it.
Okay.
Let me stop it.
Bye.